Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alex is here with Modesty. Well, today I finally received my Glossybox. I'm like, wow, okay, I received it and the month I'm supposed to receive it. So I'm happy about that. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are having a good week. And I think today should be Wednesday if I upload this on time. And anyway, so we're in the middle of the week and it's hump day, so we're halfway there. So anyway, before we get started with my Glossybox, I'm gonna go ahead and do the cards, right? And so I'm just really thankful that I got my Glossybox in July when it is a July box. But anyway, speak of that, I need to show some gratitude. So this is the Gratitude Cultivate a Grateful Heart box. And I want to go ahead and do this one. And let's see what we have today. Okay. Alrighty. What we have today, it's written actually by Willie Nelson. You know him, right? The country music guy that went way, way, way up and then came way, way, way down due to his tax accountant. Yeah, him. But let's see what kind of gratitude he had. Okay, when I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around. When I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around. You know, I can totally see that because, you know, when we're in a rut, when we're in a kind of like a downslope, we don't think to, you know, we don't think to focus on the positive things, right? We don't tend to count the blessings. We focus on what's happening right now in the immediate time, whatever your difficulties, sorry about that, difficulties may be. And, you know, and I'm guilty of that as well, because right now, you know, with COVID, thinking that it's gone, now it's back and it's coming in worse than ever. And that's not the only thing, right? I say COVID a lot because I'm in healthcare and I see the impacts of COVID on lives and on families and on individuals. So it really hits close to home, and that really doesn't help in the scheme of everything else that's going on, right? And so I try to avoid the news as much as possible where it's feasible, right? So, because I don't want to hear bad news. But anyway, but I can't ignore the world. So, what can I do about that? Well, I can count my blessings, right? I can count on what I have. I have a, you know, beautiful family. You know, my husband is great. I have my beautiful cats. And I have beautiful things. And I'm able to eat and sleep under a roof at night. Those are all blessings, guys. I mean, we take it for granted that we have these things at times, but there are people out there that don't have them. And I think when we have a difficult time and when we're really down on our luck, we need to look for those blessings. And I think I agree with old Willie here. I bet his whole life turned around once he saw the good that he had, because I think he had a lot more good than he had bad. But, you know, can't speak to his bad. But, yeah. But something to think about, guys. Okay? Start counting your blessings when you feel blue. So, and this actually came at a really good time because, you know, I had a rough day today. I've been having a rough week, actually. And so, you know, things get difficult and yeah, work could be really, you know, difficult at times. And so I really needed that pick-me-up and reminder to count my blessings. So, yeah. Anyway, that's that. But let's go ahead and jump into the Glossybox and let's see what I got. Oh, I got all of this already, and I know I don't need it because I just saw the little tab that I can't seem to rip through each month. Let's see if I'm successful this time. Almost there. Okay, let me just get that from the other side. Okay, well, that's good enough. I think I could get it opened. So anyway, so I hope you guys are having a really good week and things are going well for you. It's getting really hot here. Again, I can't believe it. It's up and down, up and down. At night, you like freeze to death. During the day, you're like so hot. Okay, well, this has really kind of picked up my mood here when I see this box because it is a beautiful box. Look at that. And I love the ocean, you know, the motif. And, you know, I always visit the ocean. And if you guys watch my videos, you know that. And so this is actually a very pretty box. And let's see, how does this one open? It looks like, oh, it's a slidey type. Very different. Okay. Oh, no, it's not. It's like, oh, it's got a little magnet. It's like a treasure chest. I get it. Look. Okay, it says Glossybox, and even the inside is decorated so nicely. And how it usually comes is that it comes with a little booklet that explains, you know, some products. And I hope that's the case. And it comes, and they really package it beautifully. And I really do like their boxes. And I do save their boxes because they are heavy duty. Even the regular pink ones are really nice. And so it looks like I have, let me just get this outside box out of the way. So it looks like there's 2 pamphlets in here. Oh, 3 pamphlets in here. Here we go. And this looks like the product information here. I'm going to put that aside. And these are refer a friend. Oh, it's back. I guess they didn't have it for a while, I guess. And it says, use your unique code to refer your friends and you get $5 glossy credit. Okay. So I guess I'm supposed to put my little information back there and cut it out and leave it at somebody's windshield. Who knows? That's how it's designed. But I'll go ahead and share the link with you down below in case you're interested, okay? And so let's see what's going on with Glossybox. And these are monthly boxes, and they are $24.95 a month. And it's up to you if you want to do like a just month by month, if you want to do 6 months or a year. So there's that option. And you can cancel, I think, at any time if you're doing month by month. And let me just show you. They always have this cute little tissues and a nice little sticker that comes with it. And so let me just whip through that without tearing everything up. So, okay. Almost there. Okay. And it's come like this today, okay? I'm just giving you a little bit of a peek. And let's see, what do we have? I'm going to take one thing out a time, one thing out at a time. God, I can't talk today. Okay, the first thing I see here is very familiar to me. This is by Batiste, and it's volumizing dry shampoo. Actually, Batiste, is that how you say Batiste? They have a good dry shampoo, even though they are very affordable. I mean, they could compete with one of your higher end like dry bar ones too. And so they're pretty good. I like them. I don't use a whole lot of dry shampoo, but when I do like this brand. So let me tell you a little about it. It's by Batiste, and this is travel size, and it's volumizing dry shampoo. Put some oomph back into your locks with this dry shampoo. Great for when you're on the go and need a quick refresh. Made with collagen complex. The clean feel formula removes oil, leaving your hair bouncy, beautiful, and volumized. I can't. What's wrong with my lips today? Or my tongue? So anyway, it is $3.99 for the sample travel size, which is perfect, especially if you're traveling and you're on an airplane, like if you're going long ways, like 22 hours plus type of plane ride, and you just go to excuse yourself to the bathroom, spray that on your head, and you're ready to go. So the pro tip is shake and spray on your roots, holding it 12 inches from your head. Massage with fingertips. Leave for 1 minute, then brush and style. So okay, so it's a basic. So like this. Yep. Okay, that's that. And the second thing in here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. Are a set of eyeshadow or eye brushes. One looks like an angle brush. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Nothing is working today. What is going on here? Okay, here we go. I don't want to ruin the head of the brush. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's very pretty, actually. Oh, nice angle brush, which is firm. And nice fluffy brush here. Of course, they are synthetic. And they are made by Elena, what is that, Badro? Okay, let me take a look with the magnifying glass here so I can see. So it looks like 2 different brushes. And let's see what it says about them. It's blue in the picture, see? But it's actually, I got a green one. They must come in different colors, but that's okay. Green's good. Okay, it's Elena Badro. A Divine Duo set. This beautiful sea green set includes an angled brush and blending brush. The angled brush can be used for brow liner and eyeshadow, while the blending brush is ideal for creating soft color diffusion or defined blending. And the retail price for this set is $34. And Pro Tip says, create the perfect eye look by defining your brows and blending your shadows. So, okay, $34 for the set of 2, which means, well, yeah, they're quite expensive, I guess. I don't know. I have to use it to see what it's like. So, yep, there it is again. Okay, I'll just go ahead and stick those in that part. And next, and this looks very, very familiar because I have a whole box of it that I got on add-ons. And this is by Purlisse. And this is the face mask. And I do like this one. This is the Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. And it's pretty refreshing. And let me see what it says about it. You know, I think I told you guys, I can't use the Blue Lotus Seaweed cleanser because it kind of like made my skin really dry and started flaking. But I can use the mask. I don't know what the differences are. But anyway, it says Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. The sun can really dry and dehydrate your skin, especially in the peak. Oh my gosh, sorry guys. Peak of summer. Formulated for oily skin types, including sensitive skin. The mask contains Blue Lotus, seaweed, mulberry, and anise fruit to combat dryness, inflammation, irritation, and redness. But it says, it's funny because it combats dryness, but it says this mask contains, okay, well, let me see, formulated for oily skin types. So that's kind of weird, right? It's formulated for oily skin types, but it combats dryness. Okay, all right. Maybe I'm not reading it right. So the MSRP or the retail price for this is $6 per mask. Okay, $6 per mask. But I have gotten a whole box for like $10. I think there's 5 of them. And the add-on. So here it is. But yeah, it's okay. And next is by Ciate. And this is called Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Okay. And let me see if I can open this up for you to show you what the blush looks like. I don't typically, to be honest, swatch these because I do give them away because, oh, this is really pretty though. It looks like the shape of one of those candy cane candies, you know, the mint candies. That's what it looks like, the pattern. But this is actually very pretty. I can see where the shimmer comes from. It's like a golden shimmer. But since I do have so many blushes, I'm going to go ahead and save these for a future giveaway. And I'll tell you a little about this product. Okay. Where is it? That's weird. You know what? Again, this is not in this book, but it does say that I was supposed to get a Cleo Noir full-size eyeshadow duet, and I don't see that here, so they must have ran out. That's why they were delayed again. Yep, this is the product I should have gotten, which is full-size, but instead they sent me this Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Okay, all right, well, it is what it is. I can't read about it because it's not here at all. It looks like, yeah, okay. It definitely is not here. And then the other last product I have is Verso Eye Cream. This is not the first time I've gotten this. I've gotten the full-size one before, which is a little bit bigger, in another box. And so let me tell you a little about this. Verso Skincare Deluxe Size Eye Cream. This rich formula nourishes and moisturizes the eye area to ensure a robust skin barrier and healthy hydration level for soft, smooth, and supple skin. It owes its potency to a combination of fermented oat and hyaluronic acid boosting yeast extract. And the Deluxe Mini is actually $21. And if you were to get a full-size 20 ml, it's $60. So that's the one I have, I think. And then this is a 7 ml though, which is $21. And it says, top tip, gently apply to thin layer around the eye area, morning and at night. And so I do like their product. Would I pay $60+ for it? No, not really. I mean, it's okay. I mean, but it's not anything magical. So, yep, that's that. And that's it, you guys. Wow, I'm surprised that they didn't even put a note in here to say, I'm replacing your product. I mean, you would think that would be the right thing to do, but I didn't get an email either, and they're usually pretty good about sending emails about that stuff. Yep, I'm moving my box around to see, but nope, it's not there. So, let's recap. So, this is the Verso Eye Cream. the Glow 2 Illuminating Blush by Ciate London. Pure Lease Mask. Set of 2 brushes. And the Batiste Volumizing Spray. So, do I think it's worth it? I don't think so. I mean, if they didn't up price this to $36 to say that that covers the box, which is $24.95, it would make sense. But I know these brushes are not worth that because I can tell by the texture that these are plastic bristles. They're not even the finely milled plastic bristles. So, yeah, I have to say this box is not worth the value. So, and that's my honest opinion. You guys may think so, that it is worth that, but like pricing this at $6 and, you know, pricing these things at $21, and I don't even know what they priced this as because it's not even in my book. But that's okay. It is what it is. Count my blessings. At least I got a box, right? And so, and I know there's a lot of people out there still waiting for theirs, so that's okay. All right, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing, especially if you like this type of content. And please, when you do, ring that bell and select all so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, good rest of the week, or good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.